Welcome to Bishop Academy online classes. Today we have to get discussed over the second topic of the first chapter, planning in sports, which is knockout tournament. You study a lot about this knockout tournament during your classes. Some students are not present in those classes, that's why we have to once again start with this topic, knockout tournament. First of all, it becomes essential for you to know what the knockout tournament is. So here a knockout tournament is a tournament in which teams are made to compete with each other unless a single winner team is decided. Means to say, in knockout tournament all those teams which get a defeat eliminated from the tournament. Teams didn't get one more chance to play within the tournament after lodging a match. Advantage of the knockout tournament is it is time saving, fewer officials are needed, even it is cheap and raging standard. Means high level of competitiveness could be seen in knockout tournament. Disadvantage, here are lack of opportunities and even loss of interest. Also it provide too much pressure over the players that each match become the question of their existence, and that's why they play in too much pressure. Here you have to know the ways to make the fixture of knockout tournament. So what is the fixture? So it is a process of arranging the teams in systematic order in various groups for competitive games for physical activities. Procedure of knockout, among them first of all you have to consider over number of teams which could be represented in form of n, and after that consider number of rounds by comparing it with 2 to the power n. Okay, 2 to the power n when the value of n is a natural number. Here the things has been given, here n is a natural number. Then after deciding the number of teams and number of rounds, you have to get considered over the byes. If the teams are in standard form, that is in the form of 2 to the power n, then no need to decide bye. But if the teams are not in the proper form of 2 to the power n, then we have to calculate byes. For calculating byes, you have to took the value of nearest higher 2 to the power n, and after that you have to subtract the number of teams from that particular number, and then you get byes. For dividing the byes, it becomes essential for you to decide upper half and lower half. If the number of teams is a even number, then we divide the team equally, means in form of n by 2, and if the number of teams are odd, for that we have to decide the upper part with n plus 1 upon 2 and lower half n minus 1 upon 2, means in upper half we have to put one more team, okay, and in lower half we have to put it is minus n minus 1 upon 2. And then when we decided the byes and we decided the parts, then we started to distribute the byes in given procedure. First bye should be given to the team at the bottom, second bye should be given to the team at top. Third by should be given the team at bottom of lower half, and fourth by should be given to the team at the top of lower half. Same system would be applied again and again. For example, here you find that we have to decide a knockout fixture for 19 teams. You have to see it clearly to understand it properly. So, here n given 19. So, it is not in form of 2 to the power n. That is why what we have to do? We have to calculate byes, and before deciding it we find that it is 19. So, if we compare it with 2 to the power n, then we find that it kept in 2 to the power 2, 4, 8, 16, 4 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 and multiplied by 2, 32 means to say it is 5, 2 to the power 5 means in this tournament we have to go with 5 rounds. So, calculation of by 2 to the power 5 means 32 minus 19. How much you get? $13 byes, and for deciding it we have to decide upper half, so upper half is n plus 1 upon 2. It implies that n plus 1 19 plus 1 20 upon 2 is equal 10. In the same way, lower half is equal n minus 1 upon 2. It implies n minus 1. What it become? 18 upon 2 is equal 9. Okay. Now we have to make the things clear. For making the fixture, so we arrange the team in systematic way. Team A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, O, 15, 16, 19. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, Q 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. Okay. So, in upper half we have took 10 teams 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, means it is the half point, upper half and lower half. Then we have to start to decide the divide the buys. So, first buy has been given to team S, it is buy 1. Second buy on the top, it is buy 2. Third buy, upper team of lower half, that is third buy. Fourth buy, lower team of upper half. In the same way, once again we have to repeat it. Fourth, after that fifth, after that sixth, after that seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th and 13th. There are 13th buy, and then we have to proclaim team and make the fixer of first round. Those team qualified for second round, we have to just arrange the match between them. We have to just take care that these lines should be equal, and then we have to decide the match between these teams for second round. It is second round. So, here you find this team qualified for next round, it is of third round. It is fourth round, and it is fifth round. Here we find winner. So, this is the way of making knockout fixer for 19 team. You will already get this fixer and also submit it in form of project during your manual classes. So, rest of the things we will get discussed over in next classes. Thank you.